skipping breakfast isn't the only activity that can heighten your risk factor for heart problems. Sitting too long has its own health risks. We're taking action for your health tonight with how harmful it can be. It's just a straight shot. Angie Castillo works the front desk at Florida Hospital Tampa, checking patients in. She's sitting behind this desk for at least 5 hours a day, and she says she often feels it.
I prop my feet up this little box here to try to alleviate the lower back pain.
Just one door away, her friend and co-worker Samantha Millian is also sitting 5 hours a day.
And my lower back actually had surgery last year, so yeah. So I feel a little bit more than most people.
Researchers have linked sitting like that for long periods at a time to a number of health problems, including obesity, high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and abnormal cholesterol levels. Interventional cardiologist Vasco Marquez explains why.
Sitting causes a lot of different metabolic derangements in the body. It gives rise to a lot of inflammatory reactions that trigger an increase in some hormones that lead to the glucose not to be metabolized effectively, the cholesterol to be deposited where it should not be, and the blood not to flow as much.
Doctors say there are really some pretty simple solutions. You can stand while helping a client on the phone, stand while you're eating lunch. You can even buy a standing desktop and then rotate between using the two.
I do feel it in my lower back, and then later on I start to feel it in my leg. So that's why I do have to stand up and stretch, go in the back room and stretch some more, so that way it doesn't hurt too long.
Do your coworkers ever go, "What are you doing?"
A little bit, sometimes.
Stretching apparently isn't enough. Dr. Marquez says some studies suggest the optimal amount of movement is to walk an hour a day, 7 days a week. I know some people find that impossible to do. He says diet is also very important. Think real food over processed food every time you eat. For more information on research done by a doctor at the Mayo Clinic on this subject, go to my Facebook fan page. Look for Linda Hurtado, WFTS, under Pages.